Assalamualaikum Dr. Intan. Our group will be present futures market trading games. Before we begin, let me introduce you to our group members. First is myself, my name is Nur Shafika. Second is Nur Hazira. Third is Amatul Syahda Safia. Fourth is Aizlin Nur Alfira. And the lastly is Zul Khairis. The FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI, FLKI and crude palm oil futures FCPO are key instruments in the Malaysian financial and commodities market. The FLKI tracks the top 13 Malaysian companies, reflecting the nation's economic health and investor sentiment, while FCPO contracts involve buying or selling crude palm oil at a fixed future price, vital for managing risk in various industries. Both derivatives play crucial roles in investment strategies, offering opportunities for profit and risk management. However, they also come with inherent challenges such as market volatility and environmental concern.
Next, role and responsibility of group members. During the futures trading operation, which began on May 15, 2024 and finished on June 15, 2024, each group member was assigned specific role and responsibility for trading and serving how to sell futures contracts such as crude palm oil futures, FCPO, and FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI futures. In addition, the group leader continually reminds each member of the trading deadline. Conversely, the other group members continually remind each other to trade on a regular basis and to monitor the daily earnings or loss of futures and options in the Bursa marketplace.
So, in this slide, we will talk about factors that determine the price of financial instrument. First, for crude palm oil FCPO commodities, here show the analysis from TradingView. This analysis aims to examine the factor influencing the price movement of crude palm oil commodities. We use rate of change (ROC) and moving average convergence (MACD) to assist trader in making informed decision. On June 19, 2024, ROC generated a sell signal indicating a potential decrease in FCPO price. Also, MACD confirmed the bearish sentiment by showing a sell signal, and the sell signal implies that FCPO price can begin to decline. It can relate with the news. TPO future expect to trade lower next week amid rising output concern. So, this when rising in output and high inventory level expected to drive FCPO price down. Then, CPO supplies have to begin decline. That cause price of CPO to turn bearish and trend downward. As a result, trader may consider to sell. Next, on May 14, 2024, both ROC and MACD generate buy signal. Pricing momentum indicated by ROC suggests an increase in FCPO price, and MACD reinforced the bullish trend by crossing above the zero line. From this article, CPO future expected to trade with slight upward bias this week. It shows stronger demand for FCPO in Malaysia that will affect FCPO price to rise. Increased demand supported by higher pricing that causing an upward trend. This signal indicate a clear indicator that the rise in FCPO, and the result for trader will help an ideal time for trader to buy. Next, price of FKLI commodities. This explore the factor affecting the price movement of the FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI future KLI commodities. So, same as before, we use ROC and MACD. In this analysis on May 29, 2024, ROC generated a sell signal suggesting a potential decrease in FKLI price. Then for MACD also gave a sell signal suggesting a decline in FKLI price. Here the article Bursa Malaysia and lower on profit taking, as this profit taking activity can cause fluctuation in FKLI price. For example, Malaysia Bursa closed lower due to profit taking, with notable decline in heavyweight stocks such as Petronas Dagangan, Press Metal and IOI Corp. External influence such as a rise in US tech stock and forecast of Federal Reserve interest rate drop can also affect market sentiment and FKLI price. This alignment increased traders confident in their decision to sell, anticipating a decline in FKLI price. Lastly, on July 1st, 2024, both ROC and MACD generate buy signal. ROC indicate pricing momentum, suggesting an increase in FKLI price. MACD also confirmed the bullish trend by crossing above the zero line. By this article, Malaysia natural rubber production rise in May, there were an increase in natural rubber production that can positively impact FKLI price. Example, Malaysia produced 25,608 tons of natural rubber, a 20.1% increase from the previous month. The signal alignment provides trader with a clear indication to buy, expecting FKLI price to rise.
This is the table overall trending performance in Bursa marketplace. The first place is Nur Shafika with a trending profit of RM 33,600. Second is Zul Khairis with a trending profit of RM 4,035. And third is Amatul with a trending loss of RM 425. And next is Hazira with a trending loss of RM 1,375. And the lastly is Aizlin with a trending loss of RM 2,700.
The most profitable transaction was September FCPO 2023, which is even I made a short position with the price RM4049 and the stock price was 3909. It has a high volatility during the trading period and I managed to gain profit at RM3 500. The most unprofitable trades that I made are on the date 16 May 2034. At the date of 16 May 2034, the price of SCPO 30 September 2034 keeps decreasing, and I have made a long position hoping that it will rise. I gained losses with a total amount of RM1925 with the price RM3839.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Zulkharis. On May 16, 2024, I executed the most profitable FCPO trade of my career. I took a long position and profited RM525 at the price of RM3891 on September 13, 2024. The price of FCPO grew from May 16 to September 13, bringing the total price from RM3870 to RM3891. This is how I was able to earn a profit. My profit climbed and ended at RM1606.50 because I kept opening the contract for a short position of FKLI, which allowed me to gain more money than lose. Upon observing the trend that has already yield increased profits, I begin to close my short position in FKLI contract because I do not want to incur additional risk or see my profit decline due to the low volatility of the FKLI trend. Apart from that, FKLI for June 2024 is the day with the most losing transaction because I assume the price of FKLI would drop on July 31, 2024. It instead jumped from RM1605.50 to RM1613.50. This happened as my result of my initiating a short position. Consequently, this RM350 loss was recorded and is the biggest trading loss I have ever experienced. This resulted from my signing the contract without supervision, which caused me to suffer a significant loss and forced me to terminate the agreement to reduce the loss.
Analysis for Amateur Shader Safia binti Muhammad Syam. The most profitable trade that I made was on 17 May 2024 for FCPO May 2027 contract for a long position. I made trade with open price at RM3,850 and closed the price at RM3,959. So I gained a total profit of RM2,725. For loss, the most unprofitable trade I made was on the 16 May 2024 for FCPO July 2024 contract for a short position. So the transaction with an open price at RM3,834 and closing price at RM3,939. So I gained total loss is RM2,875.
As you can see, overall trading made by Nur Hazira was losses with a total of negative 1,375 ringgit. I made 48 over 50 trades, and during the game, I made some of the loss and profit. So, the most profitable transaction made by me was on 15 May for FCPO August 2024 contract, which I made a long position because I predicted that the price will increase. Therefore, I did the transaction with an open price at 3,858 ringgit and closed the price at when it increases to 3,890 ringgit. Thus, I managed to gain a total profit of 800 since the price of the FCPO increased. Despite the profit increases, there are also losses incurred during futures trading activity. The most unprofitable transaction made by me from this trading game was on the 20 May 2024 for FCPO July 2024 contract, which I made a short position. I made a wrong strategy where I predicted that the price would decrease. Thus, I made a transaction with an open price at 3,824 ringgit and closing price at 3,939 ringgit. Therefore, the total loss I got is 1,575 ringgit due to the price of the FCPO increase. The reason why I rushed to close at that price was because I was afraid if the price did increase and made a big gap, due to that, I would gain more losses.
Next, it's in Azra Miti Hassan. I get lost RM750,000. Firstly, the most profitable May 2024 FCPO. I short a short position which RM10,054 and price increased to RM3,819. Additional, I need make a profit of RM325. The most unprofitable I made for June 2024. I found at loss a lot. 8,675 by using KFNI position short contract. This is to falling with the RM0 and the close is RM1613 and 15 cent. I found that the RM of RM0 caused me to fall and lose 10 of 1,000. That's what I was lost and my predict is wrong.
That is my and weaknesses of our trading strategies. For strengths, this trade game serves as an educational tool offering insight into the interconnected realism of technical and fundamental analysis. Participants gain exposure to reading market indicators, interpreting economic data, and formulating effective trading plans. This holistic understanding enhances their ability to make informed decisions in the face of uncertainty. Trading strategy in Bursa Marketplace trading games are strongest when theoretical knowledge and practical application are combined. It helps participants develop a strategy mindset, market resilience, and real-world trading confidence. Furthermore, feature trading games serve as powerful tools for promoting teamwork and collaboration among our group members. We were required to work together to develop and educate investment strategies. This collaborative effort involved pooling knowledge, discussing market trends, and leveraging diverse perspectives within the group. This process not only enhances the depth of analysis but also fosters a sense of shared responsibility for outcomes. Besides, the development of resilience and emotional intelligence among our members. As a group, we learn to support each other through challenges, reflect on the outcome objectively, and adapt our strategies based on lessons learned. This process cultivates resilience, the ability to bounce back from failures and persist in the face of adversity. For weaknesses, taking a rush conclusion is the first area of weakness. We discovered that some of us constantly acted quickly and without giving a transaction much thought. Even though we are aware that the investment prospect do not align with our research and analysis, we nevertheless choose to buy a futures contract. Additionally, we hurry and end our futures deal too soon. As a result, we receive nothing in return for some of the transactions. One of the most crucial, yet sometimes ignored task for a long-term investor is qualitative analysis or taking a broad view. Besides, we were making trading during plus period, therefore there were days or times when we were unwilling to keep an eye on the price swings, which ultimately caused us to lose money. Furthermore, because of weak internet access, certain group members are unable to monitor pricing fluctuation, which causes significant gaps in our earnings, as the period of the trade also gives us a limitation of time to treatment. Besides, we were only able to trade during weekdays only since the market was closed during the weekend and public holiday. So, sometimes we were unable to predict the future price for the next day. Thus, we were faced with difficulties in accurately predicting market trends or managing risk effectively, which led to frustration or misunderstanding within the group. Market behavior is influenced by a multitude of factors, including economic data, global events, and investor psychology. We lack experience in interpreting these factors or may struggle with the unpredictability inherent in financial markets. As a result, our prediction may be off the mark, leading to frustration when the anticipated outcomes do not materialize. This creates tension within the group as our members question each other's analysis or strategies.
Okay, next strategy for future trading games. The firstly is understanding market and fundamental. Understanding is fundamental of future market is essential of getting value. Identify underlying assets as current pair, commodities, interest rate, and provide different factor, geography, supply and demand, economy also perfect currently. The second is risk management is important. Aspect that must be addressed efficiently. For example, risk management in future trading environment stop loss order. And then to minimize market swing and industry-specific downturn. Let's develop a trading strategy. Involves selecting a method such as trending following, a range standing or breakout, trending to identify market trends, support resistance level and potential market correction. And then the importance of monitor and adjusting the situation scenario to be profitable in trading. Always test the strategy, regular check the portfolio and start and update which market trends using economic calendar to reduce risk. And lastly, continuous learning is a process that continue improvement and adapted to new information and skill.
In summary, engaging in the Bursa Marketplace futures and option trading games offers a diverse educational opportunity. By letting traders test out different strategies, improve their ability to make decisions, and obtain understanding of market dynamics, the simulation is a great learning tool. This visual platform strengths are that it provides a risk-free environment for testing strategies, practical experience navigating the complexities of the market, and an educational tool for comprehending technical and fundamental analysis. Nonetheless, it is critical to recognize some of the simulation inherent flaws, including the lack of genuine emotional stakes, the oversimplification of market dynamics, and the possibility of creating a false sense of security. In order to enhance their virtual trading experience, traders should be aware of the limitation of the game and try to gain a deeper comprehension of the difficulties that arise in real-world trading. Traders should prioritize careful study, methodical risk management, strategic planning, flexibility, and ongoing learning in order to maximize performance in the Bursa Marketplace trading game. Participant chances of making wise judgment and making more money can be increased by incorporating these strategies. The game is a dynamic trading tool that gives traders the abilities and information required to succeed in real-world trading situation, in addition to reflecting the realities of the market.